are looking for an easy and natural way to remove body odor and keep you fresh, I have the perfect solution for you. This DIY Cocoa Shea Butter Deodorant Stick is made with natural ingredients and helps to fight bacteria that cause body odor, leaving you fresh and smelling good all day long. It's also free of any harmful chemicals or grease, so your skin will feel soft and smooth after using it. It quickly absorbs into your skin, so you can feel confident all day long. Ingredients include 28 grams unrefined shea butter, 28 grams of unrefined cocoa butter, 32 grams of beeswax, 10 grams of coconut oil, 10 grams of baking soda, 58 grams of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 10 drops of geranium essential oil, 25 drops of vanilla